Model, 1994 Volkswagen Transporter 2.4 diesel CAMOER motorhome coach-built drive-away. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 76,934. MOT, the 8th of February 2025. Engine, 2,370 cc. Transmission, manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Mechanically this starts and drives brilliantly. He only has a short MOT and may require a few bits of welding for the next test. Definitely worth repairing. Lovely looking camper van. Someone will get a bargain. Grin. Condition summary. Bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. You can tell this has been well looked after. This camper is equipped with all essentials, from a kitchen sink to a bed, making it a perfect home away from home for your next trip across Europe or to the English coast. Features: HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.